Viewneo, good afternoon. A table for two? Sure. 7 p.m. Correct? Okay, see you then. Bye. You get calls like that every day in a restaurant. Normally, you will take a piece of paper, a pen, write the name of a guest, take the time, and then go and reserve the table, correct? But with Diwa, it's so much easier. Hi and welcome to the world of Diwa. Today I will show you step-by-step guide how to make the reservation on your Diwa. First, you go and open up your Diwa app. Click on the media icon. Here you will see your mobile uploads or Diwa templates. Click on Diwa templates. You will see a lot of templates. You will need to find the reservation template. There are quite a few of them. For example, we will choose this one. Click on edit. Edit the name. For example, today at 7 p.m. the Smiths are coming. Click done. And then click assign. We will choose this Diwa on the table here, table 1, and choose the time at 6:45. Do not switch on the replace existing template because then it will be immediately updated on the Diwa. We want it to be shown at 6:45. So just click update, assign, and you're done. You can also go to the Diva's icon again, click on the Diwa that you reserved the table for, and here you will see the live version of your Diwa and the reserved one at 6:45. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.